the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And where am I today? Well, I am in the Penthouse 6, in this magnificent building of the Prince here on Marco Island. Now, today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you want to buy this unit and buy it now. 1, the Penthouse, need I say more? It's fabulous. Fabulous views, top, nobody on top of you, as well as, check this out. Reason number 2, and I don't know which is more important, is the Penthouse or this magnificent crescent beach in Marco Island that has powder white sugar sand. Wow, none better than it. Now, option 3 is with the Penthouse, you also get this cool atrium with all this light that floods your unit from both inside and then the flooding of the light from the outside where we are right now. Number 4 reason is the unit itself. Oh my gosh, upgrades galore, just the finishes and features that just set this off as a Penthouse unit as it should. Now, the number 5 reason kind of rolls into a lot of things because you have a ton of amenities within the building, but you are also walking distance to so many things on Marco Island. So if you're looking for an amazing unit that you don't want to miss, call us now, DM us, let's schedule a private showing just for you. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and we hope to see you here in the Prince. Well, maybe you should put an offer on it before it goes. Ciao.